Hi friends, my name is Jesse and I'm the lead consultant at Kind Consulting Services. In my last video, I talked about adjusters who work for an insurance company. Specifically, I mentioned how in 2020 most insurance companies made the business decision to no longer perform on-site inspections of homes. This meant that adjusters who were used to traveling and inspecting homes instead were stuck working from home. And as a result, a large percentage of those adjusters left the insurance industry completely. Today, I would estimate the average insurance adjuster to have between 2 and 5 years of experience. I also talked about how insurance adjusters that are hired by an insurance company represent the interest of the insurance company. They do not represent you, the homeowner. But there is another type of adjuster. A public adjuster is an insurance professional who is licensed to assist a homeowner with the investigation, evaluation, negotiation, and settlement of an insurance claim. A public adjuster represents you. Public adjusters most often work on a contingency. This means that they don't get paid unless they produce results for you. So when should you consider hiring a public adjuster? If your claim is large or overly complex, if your insurance claim didn't go quite like you had expected, if the claims process feels overwhelming, or if you merely don't have the time, or if you just need expert assistance. So what should you look for in a public adjuster? First, look for someone who is rational. Companies like to advertise that they will get you the most money for your insurance claim. And while that may be true in many ways, the ultimate goal should always be to get it right. And that oftentimes results in a substantially higher payment to the homeowner. Look for someone who is experienced. For the best results, find someone who has spent at least 10 years working for an insurance company and who has additional industry-related education. These public adjusters are most often better prepared to not only understand the insurance company's position, but to identify relevant details and perspectives that are beneficial. Also look for someone who is licensed. In Oklahoma, it is illegal for an unlicensed person to represent a homeowner with the negotiation and settlement of an insurance claim. And lastly, look for someone who is kind and level-headed. Sure, you want someone who will fight for you, but that's best accomplished when a public adjuster works with the insurance adjuster to understand the issues. Arguing rarely accomplishes anything productive. In our next video, we will provide examples of claims that we have handled here at Kind. We will share the homeowner stories and those results. Kind is a public adjusting firm, and we are licensed to represent Oklahoma homeowners. We are committed to providing accurate and ethical advice to homeowners with regard to their homes and insurance coverages. If you have any questions or a claim scenario that you would like for us to review, we can be contacted using the methods shown here. Until next time, friends, stay safe.